At our old stomping grounds. We were just here with Nancy last week, but we're gonna go check it out today and see what they have. So they have this Kate Spade for $40. The other Kate Spade is gone, the one that's $80. And they have a fossil. I don't know what bag this is. The Prada is gone too, surprisingly. Oh, this cute Calvin Klein wallet. It's leather. $10. Skate coach. This busted up lug for $17. No bueno. Really? I don't see anything. Yeah, this cute little Pandora for $2.99. Oh, this is fugly. Do they really have Louboutins here for $9.99? Those don't look real at all. I think we want to look at that.
Oh, those were there. Must have just put them. Ouch! Who are they?
Christian Louboutin.
Ooh.
I just don't know how to tell if they're real or not.
Yeah.
Because if they are real,
Yeah,
they'd be
very
about
expensive.
$1,000.
Yeah.
I'll think about it. Thank you.
Sure. No problem.
So we're returning this because it's actually a knockoff. It's not like real Paco Rabanne. That's why it was priced at $5.99. And like the Chanel one, it smelled like old. Like it didn't smell like fresh. So I just gave it to my mom and she likes it. So that was kind of a waste of money. Daniel, it's actually kind of cute. It's like very Michael Kors, perforated. Cute color. This coach is fake. I kind of like this. I don't know. It's shaped like the Selma from MK. Thermot. For $17.99. It's an expensive brand. So, and I love me some skincare. Let's see if they have anything over here. I wish they still had that Tiffany, but they don't have it anymore. It's just stainless steel. No more Tiffany. Maybe they have something down here. Freaking Nancy. Nancy always gets the Tiffany. You looking at me, Nancy? Taking all my Tiffany. Is this real? It has a serial number, but I don't think Burberry comes with serial numbers. We'll just examine it a little bit more. It's cute though. It's like a cute wallet. Even just as like a cute fake wallet, it might look cute. I don't know. Could be vintage. I don't know how Burberry's work vintage-wise. This is kind of cute. What brand is this? Nine West? I think we saw this before. I think it's with leather. I'm not sure. But it's like a cute... Oh, never mind. The price is fugly as hell. We know like it pricey. Oh, look at that. Louis Vuitton. What if I can sell this for like $15. Fitting. It's in good condition. I don't know. Let's not dabble in fakes intentionally. Well, fugly fakes. Good fakes, maybe. This Roots crossbody is cute, but it doesn't really sell. Hell. Okay, why is this here? And why am I touching it? If you guys are liking the daily vlogs, give Yo Heifer a thumbs up. And leave a comment. I like to read your guys' comments. Please and thank you. Because if you guys leave comments, it makes me think that I'm doing something right. And it makes me happy that you are liking the videos. This is Danier. I can totally smell it. If it's a Danier, I will get a boyfriend this year. Oh, it's not. No boyfriend for Miss Philly. It's a Fiorelli, but it's a deceiving Danier. What's this? We still have that Coach here. What is this fugly Birkin wannabe? Yeah, I'm just gonna take a look at this wallet just because it's kind of deceiving. It's like really well made, so. This is like hella cute and a good price too. 25 bucks. You can put like pussy willows on it. Like big, tall pussy willows. I like pussy willows. Pussy willows are nice. They have this for $19.99. These are usually like $100. So. Ooh, a scooter thingy. Ooh, a lockbox. Ooh, a hose. A hose, not me. that hose, not me. I remember back in like the 90s when we used to have cameras like this. It's like crazy.
Lights, a bunch of lights.
This is small. This is like 2000s to like
And then more.
late 90s. I don't even know if this takes a video. Is this like a video cartridge, like a video, like a mini DV, or I don't even know. Open. Oh, okay. I see you. But these are like useless because everybody has cameras on their phones now. So it's basically useless. The time of my life. Oh, that's cute. Because I had the time of my life. Too expensive. That's kind of cute. The first 5 years. How am I looking at this bullshit? 50/50 coupons. Footprints. Hey guys, Miss Philly here. We're coming from Value Village again. I know it's all we ever do is Value Village. I feel like I'm a frickin' Value Village hoe. Okay, but we came from Value Village Pembina and we came from Value Village Polo Park. The Pembina one we picked up. This is for me. This is not to resell. It's for me. It's this Pandora charm. I know. I've been looking at with Pandora. Regular was $24.99, but I had a 30% off coupon, so I ended up paying like less than that. Whatever 30% is plus tax. Yeah, I like Pandora. This really cute little dangle. I don't have that many dangle charms. I have like 2 of them, the shopping one and the butterfly one. So I thought I'd add this little like charm. Oh wait, you can't really see it. It's just like a circle like that and then a dangle kind of like gemstone. And you know Miss Philly likes me likey la bling bling. Sorry, it's hard to like, can't even see it. What the hell? There's what it looks like. There we go. There we go. That's what we got. It'll be a great addition to my Pandora bracelet. I kind of wanted to keep my Pandora bracelets all charms that people have given me, but it's kind of hard to do that when you get things on sale, like at either the Pandora store or Thrifted. So it's kind of hard to stick to that kind of mentality, but we got this. Excited about that. Next, we found this Burberry wallet. I'm not sure if it's authentic, because I don't know how Burberry's, like old Burberry, when they were called Burberrys of London, before they were called just Burberry. So, but I mean, it's really well made. The canvas feels really nice the way my other, because I had a canvas Burberry wallet before. But, I mean, it has a serial number, so I don't know how that works. I know regular Burberry doesn't have serial numbers anymore. And it does have, like, the stamping of the Burberrys right there. I mean, it's in excellent condition. There's, like, no cracking, no nothing. Oh, wait, there is cracking. This shit. Okay, I have to return this now. There's cracking like right there. Why didn't I see that? Why? That really pisses me off. I don't like that. Oh, and I used my $2 off coupon on this bullshit. Okay, this haul just turned into like a big fail. Now I'm like annoyed. Where's my freaking receipt? So annoying. Not only did I just waste like a $2 off coupon, but my dreams are shattered that it's like cracked. It's probably not even authentic. I don't know, whatever. Probably better to just return it anyway. Okay, so this haul is a fail. I just got the Pandora, no Burberry. But at least the other lady at the other store gave me another like coupon for $2 off, so. But it's like basically I didn't get anything. It's like I was ahead in life and now I'm like stepping back in life. Anyway, we're gonna go by my Value Village by my house. We're gonna check if they have anything there. They also have a sale on Wednesday off of kids clothing, shoes, accessories, and purses. 40% off, so that's gonna be awesome on Wednesday. Which actually probably won't be awesome because on Tuesday it's like 30% off Seniors Day, so it's like competition galore. So I don't even know if I'm gonna go. I might just go, but I don't know. Because last time, remember, we went to on Senior Day and then they still had that Coach purse, and then we got the Coach purse and the Kipling purse. So sometimes you can buy things on senior day, sometimes you can't. Who knows? Whatever. Anyway, guys, we are off to that Value Village. What did I eat today? I had a protein shake and then I had an egg McMuffin with mayonnaise. Yeah, I treated myself. Because you can't eat healthy all the time. You're gonna like relapse and like you're gonna need a hit of fast food. I don't want to go to, well, maybe we'll go to Salvation Army. Yeah, we'll go to Salvation Army, even though I never find anything there ever. Then we'll go to the Value Village because we have some time to kill. Okay.
Good morning. How you doing?
Would you be able to get a box for me?
Yeah, I'll be. I got one right here. I tried to keep a couple on the side. I don't know if that was Yeah.
It's special. You got a box.
$50. I think someone mentioned that last time. That's cute. I don't know. I'm not sure if I like Kate Spade. They have all those things over there too, which is cute. MAC case for $3. Yeah, we're still looking. There's this, oh, Ralph Lauren polo for $7. Okay, so I was contemplating getting the Kate Spade watch that was in the showcase, but I don't know, it's like $50. I think I'm gonna pass on it. I was gonna get it, but then I figured like I have so many watches already, like, I don't know, it just seems a little kind of excessive. Okay, so we're coming from Value Village. We didn't get anything. I was going to get that Kate Spade bag, but I decided watch. But I decided not to get it just because I have so many watches and it's just such a pain in the butt to like change the battery too. Plus it costs extra money. $50 for a Kate Spade. If I was buying it for myself, then yeah, but not if I'm going to like resell it. It'd probably make like $10 or something. Anyway, that's it for today. I'm just going to Giant Tiger to get some pork chops and, you know, eat some meat. I was craving pork chops, so a bitch went to freaking Safeway, okay? Even though it was only like a 2-second drive, but sometimes I just want to go to a small place and just get something, you know? I was walking through the organic aisle and these look so effing good. Premium organic granola and dark chocolate. No, stay away from my mouth unless you're a hot guy. We're just buying this.